up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm filming a little bit of a catch-up work. I just got home from a holiday cocktail and cookies party. I did film this makeup look beforehand, so if you want to see how I got this look, you can check it out here. I was at the party for a few hours. Violet was like kissing all over my face, and my makeup still looks pretty good. So I have the IPSY December box right here. This is the IPSY BoxyCharm, I believe. Let's see what's inside. Oh yeah. So, this is IPSY December Play Beauty Spread Joy. From finding the perfect gift to unwrapping something sparkly for yourself, this is the time to brighten spirits, starting with your own. For December, let's get into it. First things first, these beautiful little brushes from Farrah Beauty Blush and Highlight Shade and Blend. Look at the colors on this. It's like sunset gorgeousness. Look at how beautiful these are. Synthetic. The dyed tip is super interesting. I actually don't have any brushes that are like colored like this. Actually, JK, my super old Sigma brushes this is one of my favorite brushes. It's like, can you hear that? It's like falling apart, that's how old it is. But these are really cute. Very soft, wow. I'm excited to try these. I love getting new brushes. It's like one of my favorite things to get in these boxes. So thank you, Farrah Beauty. Next is the Say Glowy Super Gel Lightweight Multi Illuminator. I did choose this product. This is in Rose Glow. In the BoxyCharm, sometimes you do get to like select an item. And this is one I chose. I did get my first Say product in last month's box. It was like a cheek illuminizer, and I was really impressed with it, so I wanted to try another product from them. And this is in Rosy Glow. I think it's like a body shimmer. It does have a slight rose scent to it. It's very, very minimal. And let's see. Can you see it? I'm honestly not sure about this product. I feel like it doesn't really do much. I'll have to try it on like bare skin. We'll see. Okay, next is the Grown Alchemist Skin Renewing Toner. I love Grown Alchemist. Anytime I get a chance to have their products, I pick them up. I do believe I also chose this. I already have one and I absolutely love it. I'm almost out of it, which is why I chose this product again. If you can get your hands on it through BoxyCharm, I highly recommend. It has this little spritz, which makes it so easy to get your toner on, and it smells really good. So it's like a very natural apothecary type smell. Next is the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes Moonlight Palette. Ooh. Very excited to check this out. I have some Makeup by Mario products. I have like concealer, foundation, some lip products. I don't have an eyeshadow palette, so. Are you kidding? Leave me a comment. Please let me know if you want me to film a tutorial using this palette. I can't. It's so beautiful. I don't even think it's doing it justice. Like the lights are washing it out. Oh, I can't even believe it. Like the glitters are so beautiful. What? I'm definitely gonna film a tutorial with this. So leave me a comment, leave me like a blueberry or a sparkle comment if you wanna see a tutorial. I'm gonna film it anyways, but I'm so excited about this. Okay, moving on. Next is the Sonage AI Peptide Serum. I feel like I already have one of these. No, I do not. I have a few Sonage products. I like them. I haven't tried anything that I'm like crazy over the moon about, but I do like this applicator. Can you see that? There it is. That is like super interesting. So I'm gonna give that a try. Very cool, thank you. And lastly, in my December BoxyCharm, aka the IPSY Extra, is the Lawless Pinch My Cheeks Soft Blur Cream, and this is in Duchess. I've only heard about Lawless, I feel like, lip gloss. I haven't really heard much about their other products, so. Okay. How would you describe that color? It's like, almost like a basic berry flush type color. Should we try? Are we noticing anything? I can't really tell because of the lighting. Okay, yeah, it's almost like a bronzing type of blush. I do already have like a full face on, but I feel like this is gonna be really nice in the summer, or even like now I have a fake tan on, so awesome. And that is what was in my December BoxyCharm from IPSY, aka the IPSY Extra. If you like these videos, leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. Leave me like a blueberry comment or a sparkle comment if you want to see me film a tutorial with this palette. I'm gonna do it anyways, but I would love for you to comment. And thank you so much for watching.